Cut the sealing tape on the package. Take out the Easwe C30 main frame. Remove all accessories. Remove all protective foam from the frame. Open the C30 seat frame. Lift the backrest, it locks automatically with a click. Unfold the footrests and hook them into the limit. Secure the footrests with knobs. Repeat for the other side. Install the leg support bars. Insert the controller into position and fix with the knob. Connect the controller cables to the lower control wires, and tighten the knob. Use Velcro to secure the cables. Place the backrest cushion onto the backrest. Install the seat cushion and secure the edges. Insert the battery into its slot and press down until it clicks. Press the power button to check battery level. Press the red button to lift the armrest. Lowering the armrest will lock it automatically. Pull the motor control lever backward to switch to manual mode, and push the chair easily by hand. Push the motor control lever forward to switch to automatic mode, and drive with the controller joystick.
Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state.
Power on the controller. 5 speed levels.
1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear, 5 gear. Light on, light off.
Press and hold the speed increase button for 5 seconds to
Turn off the
mute.
notice.
Power off and on, then press and hold the speed increase button for 5 seconds to restore voice prompts.
4 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear. Light on, light off. Goodbye.
Press the orange button to unlock and pull the battery upward. Open the waterproof cover. Insert the charger to charge. Press the power button to check battery level. Close the waterproof cover. Insert battery back into the slot until it clicks. Press the power button to check battery level. Remove the light cover under the controller. Insert the charger into the controller power port. After charging, replace the light cover. Remove the backrest cushion. Remove the seat cushion. Lift the leg support bars. Fold the footrests. Press the levers on both sides and fold the backrest. Lift the handles on both sides of the seat. Can be lifted with one hand. Open the wheelchair seat frame. Lift the backrest. Fix Velcro under the backrest. Lower the footrests. Move the leg support bars down. Install backrest and seat cushions. Lift the armrests. Fasten the retractable safety belt. Lower the armrests and drive freely.